Hey Bellaras! Before you spend another dollar on skincare, watch this. Because if you never felt like nothing works, not the expensive serums, not even the natural DIYs, I need you to know. It's not your fault. It's what I wish someone had told me sooner. The real problem, it's not just what you put on your skin. It's what you put into your body. What you do, what you skip, what you don't even realize is affecting your face. So in today's video, I'm sharing 5 powerful habits you need to start if you're trying to fix acne, dark spots, dullness, or just want healthy, glowing skin. These are the real game changers, and we're only just getting started. This is part 1 of a full series. And if you're into real skincare that actually works, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a glow up drop. I post new videos every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Let's start from the inside out. First, you're probably not drinking enough water. I know, it sounds basic, but listen, your skin is an organ. It needs hydration from the inside before it can reflect anything on the outside. If you're doing all the right things topically, but your skin still looks dry, flaky, or just tired, try this. Drink 1 glass of warm water first thing in the morning. And aim for 6 to 8 cups daily, more if you live in a hot climate like we do in Australia. Pro tip, I like adding mint, cucumber, or lemon to make it refreshing and easier to keep up with. Second, your skin reflects what you eat. No matter what serum you're applying, if your meals are full of sugar, greasy snack, or instant food, your skin will show it. Start small. Add a handful of greens to lunch, snack on fruits like berries, oranges, or cucumbers, and include healthy fats. Think avocado, nuts, or a drizzle of olive oil. You don't have to go on a full diet, just balance. I promise your skin will thank you. Third, sleep is your free natural skin treatment. When you sleep, your skin regenerates, literally. That's when it repairs, balances oil, and reduces inflammation. But if you're sleeping at 2 a.m. and waking up early, no cream in the world can fix that. Try to get 7 to 8 hours per night. Go to bed before midnight if possible, and put your phone down for 30 minutes earlier. I know, easier said than done. Even 3 days of good sleep can give your skin that rested, healthy glow. Number 4, hands off bestie. This one changed my skin more than any mask I've ever made. We touch everything, phones, doorknobs, bags, then touch our face without even realizing it. That's bacteria, that's breakouts. Start becoming aware. Keep a soft face cloth nearby if you need to wipe your face. Clean your phone screen regularly. Tie your hair back if it keeps brushing your cheeks. Little changes, big impacts. Number 5, stress shows up on your skin. Hormonal acne, dullness, random flare-ups, they're all connected to internal stress. And I get it, life is full. We're tired, busy, overwhelmed. But just 5 to 10 minutes a day of calm can shift things. Deep breathing, light stretching, quiet reflection or journaling, even your masking time can become your calm time. Your skin reflects how safe your body feels. Let it rest. And that's it, Bellaras. 5 things you need to start doing before trying to fix any skin issue. Let me know in the comments which one you're already doing. And which one are you starting today? In part 2, I'll show you what to do after these steps, the most effective ways to use DIYs or products to treat issues like acne, pigmentation, and texture. So make sure you're subscribed and turn on the notification bell. Your skincare journey should feel good, not overwhelming. You're doing amazing already. Stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!